Good morning, students. My name is Palaj Viswas, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, JS College of Engineering. And today discuss the reliability. This is my lecture number 28, and also this will be the subject is the quality and reliability engineering. And first we will be discuss according to this what is the reliability. Basically, the reliability is defined as the probability that a product, system, or service will perform in intended functions adequately for a specified period of times. That like the specific period of time or with operate in a defined environments without failure. And a few concerns also will be here. This will be reliability. The reliability is the first will be considered according to this the probability. That like the you have to considered according to it the which one is the probable. That is the probability of the without failures you will be considered according to your the reliability. That like the you have to consider according to your the probability. That's suppose your the product will be without failures. This product will be service will be given. That like the 10 hours or the considered according to your the 10 years. This is the few cases that like or this mobile phone will be considered according to your the 2 to 3 hours 3 years you have to given the service or without failures, and this will be considered before reaching to this the customers, and this will be considered according to this the probability will be comes here. And another things will be here during to your the durability, and without failure this type of durability will be considered according to the without reaching of this the customer there is the no defects will be comes on your products, and also there is the no the bad impacts will be considered according to your this the product, and these things will be called according to your the durability. And another things will be considered here the dependability. And some manufacturing hubs will be considered the few cases this will be considered for this the dependability. That like the this will be depends for this the another company. Suppose the assemble company of products, this will be depend for this your product will be different component of products will be comes from this the different hub of this or the group technology, and this hubs this will be collected this product, and also this collected products will be assembled at a place, and this assembled places this will be fully dependent for this the all type of components of any type of products. This is the assemble of this environment. Suppose or the that like or the just in time will be considered for this the not will be full product will be produced on this on a company, that this will be only assemble of this only assemble of the different type of products will be the components will be comes from this the different industries. And suppose out the medicine factory will be considered that like the cancer medicines production units, this will be taken from this the raw materials of China. That like the another places the this raw depends of this the medicine factories will be depending. This is the for this the raw materials. And another things the quality over times will be required for this the reliability, because the what times will be considered from this the 1 or 2 hours this 1 or 2 hours will be given the performance without fail of the employees, this will be considered according to the quality of product will be produced during toward those times. And another things will be considered according to your the availability, and availability of your all times of the products and all times of inside goods of your company you have to consider for this the product will be produced during to the availability, and also availability of the raw materials, availability of the workers, availability of the top management, and also this will be transfer of this the materials the which places will be transfers, and according to your the all things will be considered according to your the availability of the products manufacturer units also will be considered, because you have to not will be available for this your the worker, then you have to consider according to your the worker will be hired from this the another company, then this will be dependent for this the this company. For this will be this production units also will be considered, and also this product will be produced during to your the availability of the required components also will be here. And important components also will be considered according to the just like the probability like the likelihoods of mission success also will be considered according to your the probability. Just like the you have to prevail the concentration is come from this the type of product produced. And another things will be here the intended functions, that like the for example to light the cards, the light card rotates or heat, this will be considered according to this the intended functions will be comes during to this the this examples. And another thing the satisfactory, like the perform according to specification with an acceptable degree of compliance also will be comes that like or the satisfactory. Without satisfactions we cannot be done this job properly, because the all worker also will be required for this the job satisfactions. And also this will be considered according to this the satisfactory performance also will be comes during to your the job satisfaction. And another thing the specific period of times will be considered according to minutes, the days, month or number of cycles. This will be the you have to the all type of product will be produced, then you have to consider according to your the product cycle. Just like the which minutes also will be considered according to this the, and also the which how many days also will be here, and how many months also will be considered, and this will be your the product cycles also will be considered according to the specific period of times. And another thing is the specific conditions. Specific conditions, for example, the temperature, speeds or the pressures also will be considered for this the specified the conditions also will be comes during to the system of this the products, and also the important components also will be comes here. And another things will be the another way reliability can be seen can be seen as the probability of success. That like your success rates can be calculated during to your the probability. That like you have to not will be fully success will become, this is the probable, and also you have to give in some the uncertainty during to your the success rates. And also you have to consider the out of hundreds components, the out of hundreds the products you have to given to this the customer, then you have to given for this the success rates will become to this the 95% success rates will be come. This will be considered according to the probability. Success rates also will be calculated during to your this the products will be go to our the customers, and before reaching to this the customers also will be considered according to this the probability of the success. And another things will be here the durability will be comes already discussed the durability, and the dependability also will be discussed according to this the quality over time. So this will be considered, and the ability to perform a functions, because the all places you have to concern according to your the ability to perform of a functions, because your ability of your this the products you have to consider, and also this will be functions during done during to this the system of product, when you have to generate it according to your the available products quality and the availability of your the goods inside of your company. And reliability parameters is depends on the just like the MTBFs will be considered according to the reliability parameters, like the total operating time divided by the number of failures. That like the MTBF is the inverse of failure rates will be calculated. Then like the this will be the inverse of this the failure rates, and MTBFs this will be considered according to your the calculated for this the failure rates, because you have to consider according to your the failure rates will be properly discussed. Then you have to consider according to your the success rates also will be considered according to this. And during to your this the failure rates, you have to satisfied for your the failure rates, like the number of units will be considered. That like the failure rates will be 5%. Like then you have to consider that this type of products will be the good type of product will be produced during to your the inside of your company. And then you have to calculate it to this the MTBF. Then this will be considered for this the total operating time divided by this the number of failures will be considered. And another things MTTR, that means the mean time to repairs is will be calculated. What is the mean time to repair? Just like the without failure you have to function of your product 3 years, and then you have to failures will be repair, and again your the product will be run to this another 2 or 3 years, and this will be considered according to this the MTTR function. This will be time taken to repair failure hardware modules also will be considered, and also the availability equals to the MTBF by the MTBF plus MTTRs will be considered according to this the availability calculations from this equations will be here. And another things will be considered according to the reliability as a function of time. And the most frequently used the function in live data analysis and the reliability engineering is the reliability function, because the you have to always consider according to the analysis of this the time, the which time your product will be the product will be given to this the functions without failures, and which times that like the few concentrates also will be here. The each and every message the maximum lives will be considered the max to max 10 years, because this will be considered according to your the live functions or data analysis also will be here. This will be basically the reliabilities reliable and during period the 10 years. And suppose the any type of IC engines will be given to this the functioning condition during period the 6 to 7 years, and also inside in between of this 7 to 8 years you have to require for this the servicing also will be here. During to this the servicing times there is the no this will be given to this the service properly, and also this will be functions also will be properly will be here. This functions gives the probability of an item operating for a certain amount of time without failures will be calculated on the probabilities. And another things will be here, as that as such the reliability function is a function of time in that every reliability value has an associated time value will be calculated here. In other words, one must specify a time value with the desired reliability value, that is the 95% reliability at 100 hours also will be calculated. And this degree of flexibility makes the reliability functions a much better reliability specification than the MTTF also will be concentrated according to this. The width represents only 1 point along the entire reliability functions also will be considered. So the represents only 1 point along with this the entire reliability functions also will be here. And you have to see into this time functions on the probability will be given, and just like this the horizontal components also will be considered according to this the time to failures, and the vertical component also will be considered according to this the time. This is the function of t, and this function of time also will be considered the probability of failure, the unreliability. And this will be suppose you have to consider the this rate region is concentrate according to this the probability of failure. This is the unreliability will be here, because you have to consider your the product is a good quality product, and also this will be the success rates also the each and every 100% success rates, also zero defects will be come during to your system. But you have to concern when your product will be produced, and also this will be servicing service will be given for this the customers, and your customers will be given to this the feedbacks, and also you have to come here during to this the rare regions, and this will be failure rates, and this failure rates will be concerned according from your this the customers feedbacks, because your the customers is used to your products, and also you have to given to this the concern according to your the zero defect. But the real life you have to not concern according to your the zero defects concentration, because this will be concern about to this the function of your the customers. You have to this will be given, and your customers will be fully take up your products, and also this will be use of this your product, and also your customers will be given to this the feedbacks, and you have to concentrate according to this the rate regions according to your the time expand also will be concentrated without failure cases, and this will be considered according to this the unreliability, and because of this will be failure rates. And another things will be here, the during to this the green zones also will be considered according to your the reliability of success, that like the reliability, because of the you have to reliable of your this the products without failure rates. And suppose the this will be cases will be here the will be the some success rates will be come during to your the green zone, and also this will be considered according to your the reliability, because without failures this product will be functioning of this the time to time. In general, the most problems in reliability engineering deals with the quantitative measures also will be here, the such as the time to failures of the components, or whether the components fails or does not fails, and this will be concentrated according to the components that fail or not does not fail. This will be concentrated according to the figures, and also the random variables the t will be considered according to the time to failures will be given. And another things will be here, there are two types of the random variables that can be used in the analysis on this the types of data. And basically one is the times will be one type of variables, and another is the time to failures will be considered according to the data analysis of the probability of the failure rates also will be, and this will be functioning of this the time will be considered. And another things will be here, the probability density and cumulative density functions also will be concentrated according to your the probability density and the cumulative density functions. From probability and statistics, given a continuous random variables x, we denotes the probability density PDF as fx also will be considered, because the p the df, and this will be the concentrate according to this the fx. And another things, the cumulative density, the CDF, that like the probability density will be considered the PDF, and the cumulative density also will be considered equal to CDF, and as a function of capital Fx. And the PDF and CDF given a complete description of the probability distributions of a random variables also will be here, because that you have to consider according to your the random variables. If x is a continuous random variables, then the probability density functions PDF of x is a function of fx, such that for two numbers a and b with the a less than equals to b also will be concentrated according to this. And during to this equation, the p the first bracket in the a less than equals to x, and less than equals to b, this is the equals to the integration 8 limit to a tends to b will be considered equals to fx dx. And because of the, you have to go to this the previous slides also. Here during to this the a less than b will be considered, like the this will be the two variables will be here, this is the a and b, and also given to this the two limits also will be here, that is the probability that x takes on a value in the interval. This is the AB is the area under the density function from a to b, and the cumulative distributions function C df is a function fx of a random variables. And another things also will be here, this is the x and is defined for a number of xy. This is the fx equals to p into capital X less than x equals to the function of the 0 the minus infinitive tends to x also will be considered in fs ds. Fs ds also will be given to this the function that is the for a given value x fx is the probability that the observed value will be considered of x will be at a mass x also will be here. Note that the depending on the function denoted by fx, or more specifically the distributions denoted by the fx, the limits will vary depending on the region over which the distributions in defense also will be here. And this is the given to this the function that like the fx, and this fx will be given to this the periodic deficiency, the CD daf also will be considered equal to this the fx, that like the cumulative deficiency. And another things also will be here. And for example, for all the distributions, all the distributions considered in the in this reference, this range would be the 0 plus infinitive also will be considered. So will be range. This will be when the calculated of this type of functions will be here. The fx that like the fx equals to p into capital X less than equals to x equals to limits 0 minus infinity tends to x. The fs ds also will be calculated from this. The range would be the 0 plus the infinity minus infinity plus infinitive also will be here, and other things, or the gamma plus infinitives also will be considered according to this. In the case of the gamma plus infinitive, we use the constant gamma to denote an arbitrary non-zero point or locations will be considered according to this. That like the non-zero points or locations. The following is a graphical representations of the relationship between the PDF and the CDFs also will be here. The during to this the like the random variables. Like you have to here the area under PDF curves also will be considered according to this, and you have to the random variables also will be here. This random variables also considered the x, that like the a and b, and this will be the yellow zones also will be considered according to this. The p into x less than equals to a, that is the area under the PDF curve also will be considered. The another the white shadow also will be considered according to this the gap, and this will be considered according to the function of fx, and CDFs and another things also PDFs curves also is given to this the uppermost part, and CDF curve also will be given to this the lowermost part also will be here. This is also fa equals to p into capital X less than equals to small a also will be considered, and also this will be curves regions also will be here. This will be fx also the 1 will be given to this the topmost functions, and you will be given to this the lower one, and also the equal to value of CDF's curves at a point A will be considered according to this region, and also this will be given to these functions. And the mathematical relationship between the PDF and CDF is given by the fx equals to the limit is the limit minus infinitive to this the x, and will be considered according to this the mathematical relationships, and this will be the function fs and into ds also will be considered here according to this the relationship for this the CDF and the PDF functions. And another things will be where s is a dummy integrations variables will be here. This is the AF will be S will be considered according to this the dummy integrations variables, and this will be conversely the F is equals to minus the D into capital F into capital Fx also will be here. This will be considered according to this the differentiate will be here, and to this the dx, and in plain English the value of the CDF at x, the area under the probability density functions up to the x, and that is the if so shows the total area under PDF is always equal to 1, or the mathematically the minus infinitive to this the positive infinitives will be here. The fx dx equals to 1 also will be considered according to this this is considered according to the total area under the PDF is always equals to the 1. That's like the negative infinitive to this the positive infinitive equals to 1 will be here. This is the fx. And another things also will be considered according to this the lifetime distributions, and the function most commonly used in reliability engineering and the live data analysis, namely the reliability functions, failure rate functions, the mean time function, the medium life functions can be determined directly from the PDF definitions that like will be here. The what the AFT, that like the function and time also will be here, so will be the lifetime distributions. This will be considered according to the PDF definitions or FT. These distributions were the formulated by statisticians, mathematicians, and or the engineers to mathematically model or represent the certain behaviors also will become. And another things, some distributions tend to better represents the live data and are most commonly referred to a lifetime distributions also will be considered according to this here just like the distribution tends to better represents the live data or the most commonly referred to as the lifetime distributions also will be considered according to this the PDF of a well-known normal or the Gaussian distribution is given by that like the ft equals to the 1 by sigma under root of the 2 pi also will be considered according to this the the e to the power minus half into the t minus mu by sigma whole square also will be constant according to this the Gaussian distributions, and this will be given as, and when the note the t is our the random variable with represents time and the Greek letters represent time, this is what the t, and another thing that our Greek letter mu and the sigma represent the what are commonly referred to as the parameter of the distributions, because the you have to concept according to the mu and sigma is the represents or the commonly referred to this the parameters of this the distributions, and this will be depending on the value of sigma and mu. And another things the ft will take in the different shapes, because this will be comes from this the different shapes from the this value also will be putting on this this distributions, and this will be comes according to your the discussions, and the failure rate as a function of time will be calculated, and then the failure rates in a time FTI rate of a device is the number of failures that can be expected in 1 billion, that like the 10 to the power 9 device hours of operations, that like you have to consider according to your the failure rates can be calculated according to your the expected to this the 1 billion device hours of operations also will be considered according to your the failure rates, and this will be set by your the manufacturer, and also that is the 1000 device for 1 million hours or 1 million device for 1000 hours is, or some other combinations also will be considered, because the you have to consider according to the 1000 device for this the 1 million hours, or the 1 million device for the 1000 hours is are the given to your the functions, and or some other combinations. This time is used particularly by the semiconductor industry also will be here, and the hazardous rates also will be considered according to your the failure rate as a function of times will be calculated. So you have to early failures will be comes during to your the this type of products also will be failure rates will be calculated during to your the systems, and another thing is the period of product stability, and during throughout these times the few products also will be there that this will be stable, and there is the no failures will be terms during to this time, that is the T1 to T2, and basically this will be hazardous rates will be considered according to this the initial times, that like the TO, and also the time will be started from the T1 to and T2, this will be this periods also will be considered according to this the period of product of the stability. Your product not will be goes to your the under these failures, and also this will be successfully given to this the products without failures this time zone, just like the T1 to T2, and during to these times this products will be given to this the service to this without failure, without defects, without the servicing also will be required during to these times, and this will be considered according to this the period of product stability, and comes from this the T1 to T2, and another cases will be here, and after that this will be gives to your the curvatures lines also will be here, and these curvatures will be comes from this the failure due to the product product descriptions also will be here, and also this will be some this will be some this efficiency also will be comes during to the or the curvature lines, and also these failures will be comes from the T2 to T3 time expand, and this time your products will be fail, and the maximum products also will be fail during to after these times, and also this will be considered according to your the failure rates also will be calculated from the 1 billion of times device also the thousands hours also will be concentrated according to your the failure rates as a function of times also will be calculated during to your the this figure, just like or the hazardous rates, and also this is the times also will be calculated during to your the failure rates functions will be here. and next classes or discuss the mean time to failures will be next classes. Okay, the friends, the any type of problems will be comes, then you have to contact with me, and also you have to give in to your report for the channels, and also you have to come out from the solution from this the next classes. And thank you friends.